Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review L'Oreal Paris Matte Magique All-in-One Matte Transforming Compact. The MRP of this product is 470 rupees. The shade I have purchased in this range is Nude Vanilla, that is N2. This compact claims to keep your makeup fresh for 12 hours. And it contains SPF 34+ that protects your skin against the harsh effects of sun. So friends, this is the shade I have. Nude Vanilla. It also has a mirror inside it and a puff to apply the product. I have used this puff one side. After applying it, it makes your skin more even and brighter, and also it gives your skin a matte finish. So friends, if you have oily skin, then you may like this product. It absorbs all the excess oil from your skin and makes your skin look so fresh. If you have dry skin, then you need to apply a moisturizer before using this product. Otherwise your skin may look dry and patchy. It also contains SPF 34, so it protects us from harmful UV rays. The fragrance of this compact is very mild, and there are 5 different shades available in this range. This compact does not give a made up look, so it is also good for everyday use. It gives you a natural finish. This compact is best suitable for normal to oily skin people. For dry skin people, I do not recommend this product much. But in summers, even dry skin people can use this. It helps to control sweat. When coming to the coverage, it has low to medium coverage. I do not feel it covers any dark spots or blemishes. So it is just a fine finishing powder. You can also use this compact after applying foundation if you have oily skin. It helps to make your makeup stay longer. This compact powder is best to use in summers than in winters because it gives you a matte finish by absorbing all the excess oil from your skin. So in winters it is not much suitable. So overall this compact is good for oily skin people and for those who want to have a matte look. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.